Hey guys, it's Zach Fisher, and today I just wanted to go kind of over like the sales pitch presentation that we made, but kind of converting it to a multimedia presentation. So yeah, just taking a look at that and seeing what differences happen. And yeah, so one of the big things that we did to make a multimedia presentation to make it more video-like is to make it a like almost like a video where it goes through the slides and being able to add music and stuff like that to the presentation. So yeah, we're gonna watch through it real quick and maybe see what it looks like and yeah, go from there. So yeah, as you can see, as you go throughout it, it kind of just goes through that music and just the presentation in general, and goes through what exactly we're talking about again. So stuff with like the sorry, the holistic approach, the experiential learning, the cross-cultural exchange, the global information technologies aspect, language immersion, and then the 5W1Hs and stuff like that. And then also just like this final like slide to kind of end it off on a note where people we can leave people with a message to allow them to see like, okay, what is this trip actually about? Give them a QR code to the form. And again, just an ending picture to show them like what does Costa Rica actually look like. So yeah, that was kind of our overall idea for the multimedia presentation. And we thought this was going to be a really cool way because, we always see like slideshows and stuff like that. But I think it's always a very interesting approach whenever you're able to turn a slideshow into an actually pretty cool video. And so I think that gets students more amped up to, students to be more excited for maybe a trip or faculty to see it and be like, wow, that's actually like a really cool study abroad trip. Let's do it and go for it. So yeah, I think this is just a really cool way to connect students to what their degree is about and to connect them to the community. So it's been really cool being able to work on this and being able to show it through a multimedia approach. So yeah, that's kind of what we got so far for the Costa Rica multimedia presentation. So thank you guys for tuning in.